So Braydon, what do you have?
I have tools.
You have tools?
Yep.
What kind of tools?
I have this and this and this.
Okay, and what are you going to do?
I'm going to fix my bike.
Going to fix your bike, okay. Is Dawson going to help?
Yes.
Okay.
I have one more tool.
Okay. Braydon, what are you doing?
Fixing my tires.
Fixing the tires?
Yeah.
You can brush it off, Dawson.
Now I'm putting it back in here.
Yeah, Braydon has tools. Would you like to see the tools?
You want
He
me
can
to-
show you.
I'll show you
You
how.
want to show him the tools?
See?
Look at his tools.
That's the real big deal.
It is.
It's for me. It's for I turn. I have to use this. So
Braydon needs some gas in his bike. Can you help him?
Thank you, Dawson. That was nice.
and I need to move, and I can't even move.
You need a little push. A little bit. Very good.
Got it? The real tools fix this.
How to fix what?
My bike, and then it just worked again. That's how my bike works.
That's how it works?
Yeah.
And did it come in all parts?
Yeah. This wheel got a part, this tire got a part, and that
And,
one,
and
and this one, and the pedal, and the steering wheel, and the bell, and this came off, and this, and that, and this too.
and then what happened?
And then they had to fix it.
They had to fix it and they put it all together?
Yep.
Who put it together?
On my daddy.
Your dad put all of that together?
Yeah.
Wow, he's pretty good, isn't he?
Yeah, that's why that's daddy.
And now you have a bike you can ride.
Yeah. In case someone breaks, I won't have a bike, and I just have to use my old bike. Right?
Right, very nice.
So